Most people get this wrong. They assume all retirement planners are complicated or just generic calculators. But the surprising truth is that Transamerica Retirement Planner combines ease of use with detailed projections to help you make smarter financial decisions. The planner is an online tool that lets you input your age, income, current savings, and retirement goals. You won't believe what happens next. It calculates how much you should save, potential investment growth, and even shows how different contribution strategies affect your future income. Using the planner is straightforward. Start by entering your current retirement savings and any employer contributions. Then, input your expected retirement age, lifestyle goals, and anticipated expenses. The tool automatically generates projections for different scenarios, such as conservative, moderate, or aggressive investment strategies. One of the best features is the visual charts. You can quickly see how your savings grow over time, how inflation affects your nest egg, and how changes in contributions impact your long-term results. This makes retirement planning more tangible and less overwhelming. However, there are some limitations. The planner is only as accurate as the data you provide, and it doesn't account for unexpected life events like medical emergencies or job changes. Additionally, while it gives projections, it doesn't manage investments directly. You'll need a financial advisor or brokerage for actual account management. In conclusion, Transamerica Retirement Planner is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to plan for retirement with clear, visual insights. It's easy to use, free, and helps you see the potential outcomes of your savings decisions. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial tools that can help you take control of your money.